I open the Zoom by clicking on the link in my WhatsApp message. Now Zoom app is getting opened, and when it prompts me, I click that allow and I wait for the app to open. If it does not open, I press the launch button, and once again I will be asked to press the allow, and I press the allow, and slowly the Zoom app opens up and it's connecting to Zoom. And you have two options: join without video, with video. You always join without the video. You press that. Now you have an option, you have to join the computer audio. So about the audio part of it, you see this pop-up window. You see here there is a headphone symbol here at the bottom right. That means that you are not connected to the audio. No one can hear you. You cannot speak. So you press this button, join with computer audio on the laptop. And then now you are joined. Now you see that symbol has gone back to a mic symbol. There is a red line there across the mic, which means that you're on mute, which means no one can hear you. And you remove that. Now whatever you speak, everybody can hear. You're back on mute. This video symbol you press, now you can see the video information coming. They can see you. You don't want that, so you press this button and the red line comes back. There is this button called participants. When you click that, you actually see the list of participants in another window which opens up. There are only two now, but there may be many more. The first name you see is your own name in every case. So that is your name. So now I want to rename myself. My name is not coming out properly. So I press that button and press rename, and I now delete what is there and type in my correct name so that everyone knows who it is, who has joined and who is speaking, who is reading. I click on the link in my WhatsApp and it will open up Zoom. So it's opening up the Zoom and preparing the meeting, and then it opens up. Now you can see two options, Wi-Fi or cellular data or dial-in. You have to choose Wi-Fi. And I press the participants button, and now I see a lot of participants. I pick the first name. I want to change the name, rename, as we did last time. And I click that rename, and I'm typing in my new name there. And I say OK, and you can see that when I click OK after typing in the name, it appears changed. So there is a way to rename. Now you can see that is my name, correct name. When should I log into Zoom? My reading time is between 10 to 10:30 a.m. And this is my friend Mary. She reads before me from 9:30 to 10 a.m. I must log into Zoom 45 minutes before my reading time at 8:45, muting my video and audio. But during my reading time, my audio should be unmuted. How to read? Unmute, say book name and chapter number. Example, Psalms chapter 3. Start the reading. Mention book name and chapter number for every chapter. Psalms chapter 4, Psalms chapter 5. Finish the reading by saying completed book name, chapter number. Completed Psalms chapter 20. Mute. Please note, if the previous reader is not audible for more than 2 minutes, start the reading from where she left off. When I exit Zoom, if I see the end button, I should not click it. I must contact my admin through WhatsApp. But if I see the leave button, I can click it and leave the Zoom session. My surroundings. I must ensure that I am in a quiet zone with very good internet. I must have my room very good lighting and also a candle in case the power goes out. I should also take care to have some water next to me in case I have cough or dry throat. When I read, I must ensure that the mobile into which I am logging in is fully charged. I should read from a physical Bible book and follow the verses with my finger. I should have a watch next to me so that I know when my reading time is over.